Hello, lovelies. Welcome back. What shall I shape this toast, bread, gotcha, tomato, one can turn on. I'll cut the tomato into smaller sizes, just you are seeing me do right now. And after that, I'm going to add them to my tuna. And after that, I'll go ahead and cut the gotcha into smaller sizes as well. And once I am done cutting, I will add it to the turner plate as well. So I'll just give it a good mix. So once I am done with it, I will now add it to my bread. For those of you always returning to watch my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep commenting, keep supporting, and keep sharing. May the good Lord bless you all. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Be a member of the family. Turn on the post notifications so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Help me to share this video, guys. I will be very glad and happy. So this is it. I will add some of the oil from the tunnel and I will add the bread. And I will allow it to toast 0 to 3 minutes. And I will flip it over. So once I flip it over, I will also toast the other side on 0 to 3 minutes. So here is ready. I'll take it out of the gas and enjoy. Bye.